We got up early this morning hoping to beat the crowd. We are going to hike Cleetwood Cove. That is the only hike that actually takes you down to the water so that you can actually put your toes in the water of Crater Lake if you really want to. I guess it's only supposed to be about 60 degrees at the surface in August, which is when we're here. And we're hoping that we're going to beat the boat crowd, because if you take one of the boat rides, you actually have to hike down this trail in order to get to the boat dock. We're hoping we're not going to get stuck in that traffic. It is a 2.2 mile hike. The elevation gain is 700 feet. It's supposed to take about an hour and a half, and it's considered a strenuous hike. We've heard people say it feels like it's an hour down and 10 hours back. So we'll see.
10 miles.
Or 10 miles? Oh, that's right. I got it wrong. People have said that it feels like a mile down and 10 miles back because it's so steep. We were not going to do it because I heard that it was so strenuous and it was, like really steep and kind of cliffy. But we ran into some people on another trail the other day, and that was Stu and Sue. And they were working out for an upcoming marathon, and we began talking. And I told them that I didn't want to do this because I was afraid of heights and like narrow trails and big drop-offs. They said that I was just like their daughter, and that this trail is wide enough and it doesn't have real loose gravel, and that I will be fine. So I took their advice and we are headed out. I might be cussing Stu and Sue later today. I don't know. I probably not. They were very nice and very helpful. So we're looking forward to this hike. This is the most popular trail in the entire park. And obviously it's because it's the only one that takes you down to the water. The good news is they've got a huge parking lot here. Cleetwood Cove Trail. Here we go. This looks easy. I said, this looks easy. If this is a lot of switchbacks and they make it kind of easy, even though it's steep, I'm fine. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful trail. And we are not close to an edge. Love it. This is nothing. This is awesome. Beautiful.
Are you glad we did this?
Yeah. So far. There's the trail right down there. So
did we tell those ladies quit yakking? Should we tell them?
No, you shouldn't tell them to quit yakking. They're having a great time. It's beautiful.
I see. That's a monster. Oh my gosh, it's got to be the lake record.
It's our lake record.
Oh, you're good. You guys are catching bait, man.
Oh, I know. We catch anything, I'm happy.
I think it might be the same one. Oh, this poor guy's not having a great day. Oh,
I'll fall through that little slit, but he's so small. In front of yourself. Oh yeah, that's a good one. You ready to go fishing?
Oh, I'm having too much fun watching other people. Yeah! I want to go! There you go, buddy!
He is the more experienced fisherman. I fish a lot.
Well, you ready to walk all the way?
We gotta load up and get out of here before
Back
they
up
kick
here.
us out.
Yeah, we're camped in a camping spot, and they want us out by 11. Hey, Stu and Sue! How are you guys?
Thank you.
You're the reason we're down here, because she wouldn't have done it.
And did we mislead you?
No, it was beautiful.
Okay, good. Oh
perfect.
my gosh, we were so happy. We were coming down here and we were like, we can't believe we almost missed this.
Yeah.
And it was exactly what you said. The trail is wide, it's not near any edge, it's not loose gravel.
Yeah.
And I said, I didn't expect this at all.
Yeah.
Hopefully you won't be cursing us on your way.
Well, yeah.
I can handle it.
We heard it was
I
1
can
mile down,
definitely
10
handle
miles
it.
back.
Yeah.
So
You know, we've been training for doing this. We're gonna, on the 6th,
Yeah.
they're gonna shut this off
Yeah.
up here on the road. And our family, we told you that,
Yeah.
call coming from Texas, so we're gonna do this. But her calves were so sore the last couple of days.
Really?
I don't know what that's all
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
Because we've been,
well, none of us are getting any younger. I know that for a fact.
But you have to work out all the kinks, you know.
Yeah, right.
We only have less than a month left.
So-
Well, and when you are doing something at an elevation that's a little higher than
That's
what you're
what we're thinking.
used to,
Yeah.
you know, I think it just kind of affects your whole body, and you kind of have to acclimate all the way around. You know, earlier when we were driving here and I said that Stu and Sue told us that this is a great hike and that I could do it, they understood my abilities, and I also mentioned I might be cursing them on the way back up. Okay, well, we just saw Stu and Sue, and they were down at the bottom, and they asked if they misled me, and I said, absolutely not, you are so right. And now that I'm going up, I'm still not cursing them. I'm breathing heavy, but this was phenomenal, and what a treat to actually run into them and thank them for this recommendation and the encouragement to go with, you know, me and my fear of heights and hiking with, you know, steep ledges and loose gravel. So great recommendation, awesome people, and can't wait. Hopefully we get to run into them again. Anyway, we're halfway up the hill. I gotta catch my breath and keep going.
Take a breather.
Yes, I need a little breather.
All right. All right, let's go.
Look at all the people that are going to the boat. You know, one thing that I will say about this hike for people who are like me and afraid of heights and loose gravel and steep ledges, the paths are wide. They don't go real close to the edge, and it's not loose gravel. They did a lot of switchbacks. So it takes you a lot longer to get up and down the hill versus a straight shot if it was a straight trail. But that's what makes it doable for all of the people that aren't in phenomenal shape or that are afraid of heights and that kind of hiking. So it dawned on me that we are some of the last people that are going to see this trail in this condition, because the national park is closing this trail next year, and they anticipate it's going to be probably closed for, I think they said 3 to 4 years. And they're going to redo the trail, and they're putting in some buildings and stuff like that. So who knows what it's going to look like the next time we get back here, or anybody gets back here after the new trail is put in. So maybe they'll put in an elevator. I don't know. It's really not too bad.
So how many mile run was that, or is that?
6.7.
Okay.
And then there's another batch that's doing a half marathon.
Oh.
And normally there's a marathon, but this year because of the construction we can't do the marathon.
Okay, that
But
makes
normally
sense.
there's a marathon, which is kind of the signature race.
2 thumbs up on this hike. It was absolutely fantastic. Let us know in the comments below if you got to do it this summer, which is 2025, before next year when they actually close the trail for all of that construction. We'd love to hear if you made it in before they closed it, and after they open it back up in, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 years, however long it takes them to finish. Let us know what it's like then, and maybe Pete and I will come back and do it again.